Hi everybody, welcome to today's video. If you're new here, my name is Tiana, and if you're returning, it is so nice to see you again. I am going to be updating you on my May-June, I guess you would say. May-June Pan That Polish update. I don't do these monthly just because I have so many events going on. I'm getting married in October, so I have a lot of events and I like to have my nails done by gel. So in between gel appointments, I'll just use regular nail polish. And I thought it would be fun to just do a little project where I update you kind of here and there. So I have today's update. We're going to be talking about the Nail Boo and the Sally Hansen nail polish. So let's get into it. Alrighty, so the first one we're going to talk about is the Nifty Nude. This one is in my project to finish. The reason why it's in here to finish is because I actually have the same one, just brand new, never opened bottle that I would like to finish this one and then move on to that one. Love the color. It's my favorite nude shade. This one here I ended up using 9 times since the last update, and I was able to create a new marking on it. It's very faint, but we are like down halfway, which is amazing. This is such a beautiful nude shade. If you're someone who wants like a really nice, easy nude shade to just throw on in between appointments or for something quickly, you would probably really like this. So this one here, I'm keeping it in my project so I can continue to just use it here and there. I actually haven't used it since I rolled out this one, and I'll share with you why. But this here, I do need to get back into the groove of using it. Then I had a usage goal. I think it was 4 or 6 times to use. I used it 7 times and I was able to make really good progress on it. It's a little like, it's right here. I'm like right here now. It's a little too close to make a new mark, but I'm sure that I could. But anyway, I used a really good chunk of this. I'm really happy with the progress I made. This is in Nail Boo Glam Queen, and I really love this, and I'm really glad that I was able to pair it with both of these, and I enjoyed this combination. And when I was able to hit the goal on this one, I was ready to move on to the next one. And what I do is I put all of my polishes in a random generator, and Google will generate one, and the one that it chose to be rolled in was rose water. And that is the same formula as a Sally Hansen. So this one has officially been rolled out. Glam Queen is rolled out from Nail Boo, which is perfectly fine because it will get rolled in eventually soon. And I had set a usage goal to use this 8 times. I have not officially marked how many times I've used this, but I have used this so many times. It is well past the 8 use mark. I can tell you that. From the top of my head, I know I've used it 5 times, and there were a few other times in between there, but that's okay. Anyway, this is how we are looking. I do need to put a line. Actually, maybe I will do that right now so we don't forget. Let me try using Glam Queen to put a line on it. There we go. We're officially marked. This one is in the project. So here we are. We're at the top, and honestly, I'm going to continue on with this combination or these two for the next little while anyway, until I end up getting my nails done. I'm getting them done in 10 days, so these two are going to be perfect for the next like 10. Is it 10? No, I'm getting my nails done in like 2 weeks. So these are going to be perfect to switch between throughout 2 weeks. I am going to mark down that I used it 8 times and then try and mark ever since then. But these are the 2 that are currently in the project, and I'll be updating you guys in July or August on how these are going. And then once I feel like I have used this enough, I'm going to rotate this one out, and then we are going to generate a new one. So that is today's update. We are keeping Nifty Nude, which I'm very glad that we are halfway through. We are going to be rolling out the Nail Boo, which I might try and make a new mark on it. I'll see. And then we are going to be continuing using rose water because It is just the absolute, like I'm wearing it today and I'm telling you, I did not do a good nail polish application. I literally just threw it on top of old polish, but this polish is such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful color. I love it, and I know it's really easy for me to throw on when I need a polish. Same with this one. So these two in this time and this season of my life are perfect. So I'm going to continue working on these for probably another month, and then in a month I'll come back on here and then we'll see how far I got with this one. We'll see how far I get with this one, and we will see what I will roll in for this place. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are, I almost dropped it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are working on a nail polish. I would love to know. And I'll see you in the next one very soon.